Vikas Bhagat has been sentenced to life imprisonment for the 2017 rape and murder of a 28-year-old British-Irish backpacker in Goa. The victim, a dual citizen, had travelled to India on a British passport and was found dead in a field near Palolem Beach in South Goa's Kanakona on March 14, 2017. Bhagat, a local who had befriended the victim during an earlier trip to Goa, was convicted under IPC sections 302, murder, 376, rape, and 201. The sentence comes as a relief to the victim's family and highlights the importance of proper law enforcement in maintaining tourism safety. Inspector Filomeno Costa, the investigating officer, praised the thorough investigation, which included securing the crime scene and gathering scientific evidence. Advocate Vikram Vam, representing the victim's family, commended the police for their diligent work and emphasized the significance of law enforcement in ensuring tourist safety.
Section 302, which is murder, he has been convicted for life, and this is with rigorous imprisonment. Under section 376, which is rape, he has also been convicted for life and a fine of 25,000 rupees as what is permissible under law. For destruction of evidence, he has been convicted, which carries a maximum of 2 years and a fine of 10,000 rupees. But these sentences will run simultaneously, so the most important sentence here is rigorous imprisonment for life, which is his natural life. So the sentences for 2 years for destruction of evidence, they don't really carry so much weight as this particular sentence. And to my understanding, the family is relieved that there is a closure. There is justice being done. I would like to say here that this trial has taken about 8 years, right? And because there was no witness, and he had taken her into the forest and committed these crimes, it was a difficult task for the prosecution to put the circumstantial evidence together to convince the court beyond reasonable doubt about his conviction. The prosecution has done an excellent job, and so has the police in their investigation. I mean, the people who labored for 8 years, right, they've rarely been recognized, but I would especially like to thank Director of Prosecution, Mrs. Poonam Bharne, who made quick decisions on what has to be done. I would like to thank the prosecutors, Mr. Costa, Mr. Sanjay Samant, Mr. Korgaonkar, and especially Mr. Gaonkar, who handled most of the evidence. Right? And lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Prabhu Desai, DYSP, and his team for the painstaking efforts they took to gather all the evidence and bring the witnesses who were not in Goa in time for the hearing so that their deposition could be recorded and the court could rely on them. It's been a long trial, but justice has been done, and I hope if this is the way we move forward, Goa will be safer for women, for children, for senior citizens if criminals get convicted.
What is the family reaction?
They seem to be satisfied, and they have to be relieved that at least justice has been done, and the sentencing has been done in accordance with the crime that has been committed.
Thank you.